This is the LG 4-door French door refrigerator in stainless steel color. Here you have the water dispenser, ice settings, freezer temp, refrigerator temp, and then light. So let's turn that off. Plenty of room on the shelves on each side. You have 6 shelves, pretty big, go pretty deep. Then you have here for drinks, and then here for vegetables, cheese, or whatever you want to put. And then another 3 shelves here with your main one. Then you have 2 freezer sections. So one comes with the ice bin. And then the next, just more space for frozen goods. But great fridge, works very good, simple, and very nice.